The first menu is User Manager. This is where you can add, edit, delete, promote, or demote users. Unless you're using Community Builder or another community type plugin, this is where you'll manage all of your users. When you click on a user, for instance in this case administrator, it'll bring you to a screen that looks like this. The name is administrator, and I'd encourage you to change that to something else. The first time you access your new Joomla site, the username would be admin. Again, I really recommend that you change this to your own username and use a secure password. In this case, the person is a super administrator. There should only be one or two super administrators at the most for any site unless you have other reason to do so. The CEO of your company does not need to be a super administrator. The super administrator never gets blocked, should receive system emails, and unless you're using multiple languages, pretty much you can leave the back-end languages alone. Choose a user editor and change the time zone to your local time zone where you reside. Just another word about user levels. Public front end are any users that come to your site. They don't need to be logged in, and if your content is marked public, then they will be able to see that. A registered user is someone on your site who has an account. An account is created when someone registers on your site using the normal registration process or something like Community Builder or one of the paid subscription modules. Anyone with a special user level is someone who runs the site. Author, editor, publisher, manager, administrator, and super administrator are considered special. You should use these with care, as menu options that are marked special will be available to anyone in those levels. Here's what users see. The super administrator and administrator see that top level: site, menus, content, components, extensions, tools, and help. The only thing an administrator does not see that a super administrator sees is the global configuration. A manager, on the other hand, doesn't have access to Module Manager, Plugin Manager, nor the ability to install extensions of any kind, and doesn't have access to the Tools menu.